Alright, welcome to Module 3. In this module, our expert will show you some offline side hustle options. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Module 3. Offline Side Hustle Ideas. If you don't consider yourself a tech-savvy person, there are still a couple of side hustles that you can do within your reach. These kinds of jobs are helpful to gain more life experience and grow more as a person. Offline side hustles are great for helping out your local community. Being involved in such activities also contributes to better mental health, as it gives you more reason to stay active and social. Offline side hustles involve physical activity. But if you enjoy going around town and meeting a lot of people, then this one suits you well. Normally, offline side hustles are usually found through job openings or referrals. However, a lot of these are now found online. You won't be directly using the apps to earn money, but it serves as a tool to help you find work. With a simple touch of a button, you can engage in jobs that provide real-world experiences. Here are some of the most popular side hustles you can do offline. Rideshare service. If you have a car, you can earn money by registering for a ride-sharing service like Uber or Lyft. By essentially becoming a freelance taxi driver, you can earn money by simply driving around town. Basically, you work using a mobile app that notifies you if you have ride requests. It then navigates you to where to pick up and drop off passengers. Rideshare drivers have flexible options, for you can work according to your schedule. This means that you can refuse rides or only choose customers that have the same destination. After drop-off, you're automatically paid through the app and might even get tips from generous passengers. Rates also change during rush hours, so working during busy times of the day can help you earn more. Food delivery. While in the subject of driving, you can also use your driving skills by joining a food delivery service like DoorDash and Grubhub. To apply, all you need is a driver's license with a clean record and a phone to use their app. Some of these companies also sometimes offer services using cyclists. So if you're looking for ways to earn money while getting enough exercise, then this one's for you. Renting out a space. If you have an unused space such as a spare bedroom or a second home, registering with online vacation rental companies like Airbnb and Vrbo is a great way to make some money by simply letting others use your space that otherwise is left gathering dust. Basically, you host your own space and provide simple amenities for tourists or for people visiting your area. This side hustle is great for meeting new people and making new friends from different countries. However, it's important to point out that if you're the type of person who takes their privacy seriously, then this might not be the gig for you. If you're looking to rent out your room, you must be willing to open your home to everybody. By letting complete strangers stay at your home, you understand that you need to make certain adjustments and may face certain risks and challenges in dealing with them. These online vacation rental companies have their mobile app where you can list your space, provide your desired rate per night, your schedule, as well as implementing rules and conditions when renting out your property. You can earn a good amount of money with a side hustle, especially if you tweak your space into becoming more cozier and making yourself a more hospitable host. Another benefit of having the side hustle is that you can assign other people to regularly clean and maintain your room or to act as your co-host. This gives you the option to become less involved and turn it into a passive income. What are you waiting for? Join the side hustling workforce and earn the extra $100 a month. Whether it's utilizing your skills and talents, supporting your local community, or simply doing something in your free time will surely empower you, knowing that you can continue to thrive despite the challenges that we deal with every day. This side hustling world is just on the other side. All you have to do is to take that leap of faith. Only then will you experience the endless opportunities the world has to offer.